Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is December 26th, day after Christmas, 2019. We're just getting our day started. Short day today. It is 5:15 in the evening, 37 degrees here. Just leaving home. On a little side street here, so I can get going in the opposite direction. I can only face where I park at my house. I only could face one way, so I needed to go the other way. So it's a little side road I can come down here and get turned around at. Yeah, leaving a little bit later than I wanted to be, but today was Bailey's spay operation. Bailey the Boston. She went to the vet today and got her little operation. We couldn't pick her up till about 4 o'clock, so got her back home and settled in with her mother, and she's doing good, a little groggy from the pain medicine, but there was no problems with her little operation, and she should be kind of back to normal in the next few days, except for the little cone she's got to wear around her head. She's got to wear a cone around her head for the next week and a half. That should be interesting once she starts feeling better. Pretty good Christmas. No, not enough time off though. But there is a good possibility that I'll be back home tomorrow. So, all right, guys, we're just a mile or two away from where our delivery is in the morning. We're making our way over there. We are in Londonderry, New Hampshire, just south of Manchester, New Hampshire. It is just now 10 o'clock and we got 32 degrees here. Yeah, it looks like we're right next to the airport here, so no drone flying. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Alright, so we're going to be looking for Harris Road up here on our left somewhere. That's not it. Harris Street. Okay. GPS says it's in 0.3 miles. Let's see, make a left here. Yeah, left here, go down the end. Alright, we should be right down here in the corner. Well, let's see. This is our place. There's a spot there. There's a spot here on the end. All right. Alright guys, I called the guy on the phone today. He said park out here, but then in the morning we got to go down this driveway. So let's see about a spot straight behind us here. Get lined up just a hair better. Yeah, wouldn't be no drone flying here. That's the runway right to our right here. All right, cool. We got us a parking spot out of the way here. Hopefully out of the way. I think we're out of the way. Alright guys, that's it for today. Short video today, but we only had 280 miles over here and didn't really need to make any stops anywhere or anything. And plus it's been dark the whole time, so not a lot to put on video. Anyway, we appreciate you being here. Give me that thumbs up on the way out. Leave me a comment down below and please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay guys, we're going to see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.